So tonight we plan on doing our first wild camp. Well, camping in a car park in the van. It's chucking it down, it's freezing.
We're just currently on the M6.
Yeah, we're on the way down to Land's End. That's the end goal of this trip. But we're going to stop off at a few places on the way. Tonight we're stopping off in a place called Frampton-on-Severn. We're going to do a wild camp with no heater or anything like that, so it could be a bit cold.
So we couldn't decide if we're a small or large vehicle. I think compared to this M&S food, oh gosh, Screwfix is coming at us. I think we're a pretty small one compared to these big boys.
So, we're here.
Yeah.
We're all parked up. We're probably going to have a little wander around. It's just, yeah, it's chucking it down. It's windy.
And we've just got all the blankets onto the bed and like the pillows are absolutely soaked.
And we don't know why.
Right,
do you think that's condensation or what?
Went and braved the weather, but then we decided to go back and play cards.
We're playing Quiet Go Fish.
Tom's really paranoid about
I am, I'm
wild
well
camping.
paranoid about
So every time
we were playing Snap, and every time she said Snap, I'm like, shh. We're playing Go Fish, Snap were a bit loud. Oh, sorry. So
blinding me.
What have you cooked us up, Lauren?
There's a hair in it. So we've got a steak and ale pie and Dauphin wild potatoes.
Lovely.
And gravy.
Yeah.
And it was meant to be for a little starter like mozzarella dippers, but
we've already had them. So, night one, wild camp, gone well. It's actually fairly warm. I mean, we're cosy. We've got about...
Everything's drenched.
Is it? We had a nice tea, played a bit of cards, had a look round Frampton.
Yeah, I went into the most gorgeous little pub. And Tom didn't want anyone to know that we were staying there. And I was like, oh yeah, we're just staying here. We've got
been
a van.
well edgy. Like,
he's been so paranoid.
Worst one, we went, a car tipped up in the car park that we're in. And we were playing cards, having a nice
Tom just
time.
made us turn lights off.
You agreed. I said, shall we turn lights off? And Lauren goes, so I turned lights off. We sat there for probably about 2 or 3 minutes, just in dark. And then I said, shall I peep through? And then I peeped through the little wall we have at front, and there was just a bloke like swapping over some stuff from his van to his car. Anyway, we'll see you in the morning. Hopefully we've had a good sleep.
See you in the morning.
So then I think I'm going to try and give you a little tour of Frampton-on-Severn. The van is just behind, if you can see, over there. And it looks as though there's a little boatyard down here, so I thought I might go and have a look. There's been a lot of dog walking going on around here. So yeah, let's have a look at. There doesn't seem that much to see down there, but maybe I just didn't go far enough. To be honest, the only reason I'm out at van in this weather is because I thought I'd give Lauren a bit of room and time to get up and get ready.
No, I think it's yours, you first. Morning, everybody.
How was? Let's get a light on.
Sorry, I'm watching Family Guy.
How was your first night's sleep in the van? In the new van?
It was good, so... I went to sleep at around 1:30 and I woke up at 6 and I stripped off everything pretty much because it was absolutely boiling, and then I woke up freezing, so I was like, Tom, it's cold. Tom, I'm not really like...
So after Lauren woke up a bit, we set off to Bristol and Bath, so if you want to see that, press subscribe and you'll be notified for the next one. Thanks for watching.